My name is Rebecca Williams and I'm the CEO at Seed & Sprout. Seed & Sprout started 8 years ago in Byron Bay. We are Australia's #1 online destination for living a more sustainable life. We started with one problem and one product solution in a plastic-free lunchbox, and now we're up to 400 different products and we ship to Australia and around the world. In terms of order volumes, we might do up to 9,000 orders a month, and Signet is a really big part of getting those orders out to our customers. We use the Giami Craft honeycomb paper, the Jiffy padded bags, the Craft water activated tape, Craft Eco Fragile paper tape, and the Signet shipping cartons. Our sustainability goals are really lofty. We're a signatory to the APCO registry, so we really think very deeply about how we package our products. Shipping plastic-free is a non-negotiable, and that's actually really, really difficult to do, but it's so important to us from a values perspective. So Signet was one of those partners that we found that could really run with us and innovate at the same pace. I'm a massive fan of Signet. Being able to pick up the phone, get onto Messenger, the customer care is extraordinary. Couldn't be happier. I've made a lot of emergency calls from that warehouse floor for packaging, and just so responsive. Yeah, I'm really impressed. And that's a true story. I've done it many times. We need more boxes. Help us.